Hey, what's up? Just doing a different one here. Instead of fan or car or lawnmower. I know some people like vintage alarm clocks. And this particular one, I've been using since about 1996, maybe 97. It's a little Sony Dream Machine. It's kind of crusty and dirty right now, since I kind of neglect it. But the radio still works. I generally use the buzzer to wake up. It is a model 1CF-C240. Made in Malaysia. There's all the stickers. Not sure what year it is. But yeah, I had a white one. The white version of it, and it got lost. I don't know what happened to it. Still got the sticker on it. Saw one of these on eBay and it was like 30 bucks. Like, jeez. Yeah, nothing else to do around here since it's pretty friggin' cold outside. It was, back to 19. And then we'll go over here to this other one I got. It is a GE. Works pretty good. I found that one in an apartment. But it works good too. I kind of like vintage alarm clocks too. So, anyway, just a quick video on this one, on these. Thanks for watching.